Good morning to you all, especially to the judges. I am Aulia, Salmadenia, Azara. I am from Sains Alumnika Elementary School. But are you ready to hear my storytelling? No? Okay, I don't want to read my storytelling. Just kidding. Okay, my storytelling is The Arrogant Ant. Let me begin. It was a shiny day. Some ants were collecting the fruit crawling on a tree. When they were busy collecting the fruit, one of them saw a cocoon was hanging under a leaf. The cocoon tried to move its body. In this moment, the ants stopped his activities. They were curious about the cocoon's movement. Hey, you there! What are you? The cocoon gave no response. You look so strange! You can't even move! The ants started mocking the cocoon. Look at me! I can move everywhere I want! I can climb up tall trees! I can walk on the ground, on the grass too! Even on the leaf where you belong now! The ant kept mocking the cocoon. But again, the cocoon gave no response. Days passed, and the cocoon had completed her metamorphosis phase. She had confirmed into a very beautiful butterfly. The butterfly flew high among the trees and the flowers. Meanwhile, the ant ran out of the food supplies. He invited some friends for hunt the fruit. So they decided to back to the trees where they had met the cocoon before. They were surprised because the cocoon wasn't there anymore. That's only the empty shell of the cocoon. Suddenly, whoosh, 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 the ant fell hard, weighing on his body. He looked around to find where the wind from. In fact, there was wings from the very beautiful butterfly. Then the butterfly came closer to them. Hi, Ant. Remember me? The ant was so surprised. They were wondering why such beautiful creature greeted them. They never met a butterfly before. Who are you? Do I know you? The ant asked. Well, I'm the cocoon that you knocked some days ago. So, you are that ugly cocoon? The ant said some mocking words. Yeah, I'm the cocoon that you knocked before. Now I can fly everywhere I want. The butterfly flapped her beautiful wings. The ant amazed at her beauty that made him forget he was on the branch of a tall tree. Then he fell. He broke one of his legs, so he couldn't walk. The butterfly helped him home. He couldn't walk here and there. My friend Ant, said the butterfly, each of us has superiority and leg. We must be thankful for our superiority and never underestimate for having some legs, advised the butterfly. The ant felt shy and regretted his action towards the butterfly. He promised himself not to be arrogant and never underestimate others. This story reminds us not to be arrogant and never underestimate others. We never know what will happen in the future. Yeah, this story is finally end. Okay, I will tell you the closing. Okay, everyone, I hope you understand my storytelling and the moral. If you don't understand, okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.